ka Khasi Student Union lane ka KSU kala pelong ya ka jingshong kalai mungor ka basis ngi hakas ngi nangkong hakandai lat kumshi benta ban yakhi habaro ka wei ka than stay lam mingi jong kari India kabala khat da ka sang samla pule jong ka than stay lam mingi jong kari India ban persha ya ka jingwan bu hai shnong be an jong ki mender Chairman ka NESO ba Samuel Jarwa ulong bakane ka jingekhi kalong ban penbor ya ka sarkar jela bakin le da ka batenge halor kane kamat kabala slam bha da ka bajur baka jingwan bohai shnong klem da telakam na Bangladesh kalawan ra ya ka jingkul mar labun pausnam
Our next action plan, we will have a meeting, and if there's any program to be held, we will let all of you know.
Assam, coming to Meghalaya, you have seen the centre and the state government has been not taking proactive steps regarding the implementation of ILP. How do you view on this?
Well, you see, the issue of ILP is a very old issue in which the Khasi Students Union has been demanding since 1983. But sadly and unfortunately, the government of India and also the successive central governments have not implemented the inline permit in the different states of the northeastern region and also in the state of Meghalaya.